What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and as you can see, I have a lovely care package for my people over at Jobber. Get Jobber, to be exact. About to crack this bad boy open and see what's in it. Yes, sir.
Say hello to my little friend. As long as you love me. As long as you love me. I got my eyes on you, so down. Pick up the food and get the punch out. I got my eyes on you, so down. Pick up the food and get.
Alright, people, as you know, I am infamous for procrastinating. I got this around Christmas time and I kind of peeked in it, but I really didn't open it because I said I wanted to get the time to sit down and actually make a video, the unboxing of it. So I kind of saw what's in it, but I really don't know. But the reason I picked this particular time is because they're currently doing a giveaway, which I'm gonna put the link to the description in this video and the link in the description of my Instagram video. I'm posted on Instagram and YouTube. So you're gonna win. It's basically very similar from what I saw they're giving away, and what I peeked in this box is very similar. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Like I said, I haven't really seen it specifics. Got a nice card here. Built by Jobber, or built by you, my bad. Got a little Jobber tissue paper. Y'all see that? Nice. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that there. I already see a hat, a cup, tumbler, mini tumbler, and a little coffee. I don't know if they knew I got my own coffee machine recently, but I'm gonna open this card first. Then we'll get to the stuff. Okay, it's a nice picture of the Jobber team. From the Jobber team in Edmonds, Alberta, and Toronto, Ontario. Sweet. I wonder if any of the people I met at the GIE is in there. No, I can't really see anybody that I met at the GIE. Okay, Stacy, it's been a pleasure working with you. Looking forward to another amazing year working together. Happy holidays and cheers to 2020. Wishing you the best in 2020. Thank you, Jobber. I appreciate that. That's another picture on the back. Okay. So, let's see what's in the box. Got some stickers to add to my sticker collection. Bam. Alright. A Jobber sticker. Alright. Man, looks like some nice coffee here. Like I said, I recently got me a coffee machine. Everybody's been buying me coffee now. So I really appreciate that right there. Got me a nice. Woo. See, people don't understand how much I appreciate hats, right? When because I work with quite a few companies, right? And when they send me hats, like, I love it. I appreciate it. And this right here is a nice hat. So I don't even know. I'm definitely not gonna work in this bad boy. But I probably will. I might hang it on the hat wall. I don't know. But this bad boy, I'm definitely gonna use. I might use this bad boy today. Make me some coffee. Jobber, built by you. Yeah. A lot of people who's not familiar with Jobber. Ooh, nice swivel top. A lot of people who's not familiar with Jobber they have a few ambassadors over the that they work with over the internet, and they actually contacted me before they actually knew that I actually already used Jobber. And a lot of people, I tell people about Jobber, and a lot of people will ask me, Seth, what kind of invoicing system you use, or stuff you use for taxes and stuff like that. I'm telling you, it's Jobber. Like when I first started using Jobber, the cheapest plan was like $69. Now it is $20. It's like 19 something something. I round that up to 20. But you can't beat that. $19 a month, $20 a month. And like I always say in my videos, I have a code. If you look at it, it probably won't be on Instagram, but it'll definitely be on YouTube. At the top of all my videos, there's a code, discount code to get 20% off. So you're getting 20% off of $20, which is $2? Yeah, $2. So you'll be paying $18, which is not bad, especially since you get a free trial for a week. And like I said, I got it on like a Friday, and I spent the first 2 days setting up all of my customers in it. And once you set up your customers in the actual system, then it's a breeze, because it's just like, because I had like 20 something customers at the time, so I had to go through, you know. And then one good thing I will tell you, a lot of my customers I only really knew on a first name basis, and this forced me to become more of an official business, to actually collect more information and make a profile on my customers, which one allowed me to build a better relationship with them, and because I was able to keep in better contact, and also it's easier for me to send quotes, you know, from my phone, you know, from my computer. They text me, they need a quote, boom, 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 hop on Jobber, send them a quote, turn it into a job, and do all my scheduling, invoices, everything. So I know y'all see me because I am an ambassador. Y'all like, whatever, Seth just telling us to do this. It will make your life a whole lot easier. And bro, $20 a month, that's not even a full tank of gas. Can't beat it. Got my discount code in the description. Every time you sign up, it sends them a notification letting you know, use my discount code. So definitely check out their giveaway that they're doing, and the majority of what I got here is a majority of what they're giving away. So check it out. That link's in the description. My discount code's in the description. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.